Mise en place. A culinary foundation. Mise en place, French for everything in its place, is a fundamental culinary principle that involves preparing and organizing all ingredients and tools before cooking begins. This practice ensures efficiency, precision, and consistency in the kitchen. The process starts with gathering and measuring ingredients, chopping vegetables, marinating proteins, and portioning items. Chefs also arrange essential tools like knives, pans, and mixing bowls within easy reach. This organized setup minimizes distractions, reduces the risk of missing steps, and enhances focus during cooking. In professional kitchens, mise en place is crucial for managing multiple dishes simultaneously, especially during busy service hours. It promotes a streamlined workflow, allowing chefs to execute recipes with speed and accuracy. Beyond professional settings, mise en place benefits home cooks by making the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. It encourages mindful preparation, reduces stress, and helps avoid last-minute scrambling. Ultimately, mise en place is not just about organization, it's about creating a disciplined, efficient approach to cooking that elevates the culinary experience, ensuring every dish is crafted with care and precision.